epic episode, and you may see why are you outside in the afternoon. It probably may be dark like noon, but no. Here's a special reason. I found this. A random like package comes, but I don't know what is in here. So I'm gonna have 3 guesses. So one is a binocular because I saw Mommy buy a binocular. And my name starts with L, and if you haven't seen my channel, it's called Lama Official. And here are my first guesses. First is like a binocular, since Mommy said that. Second, some Lego pieces. Third, a Lego set. So, I'm gonna find out.
Okay, let's find out.
Give me the pair of scissors now. Oh, there's only a bird. I see it. There's only a bird I see. Oh, it ran away. I just saw a bird passing by up there, and I think that the bird is also excited for me to open up.
Really?
So, it's this. I don't know what this is, but so now I'm gonna open it up.
Okay.
Kind of hard. I don't know what's in here, but
okay.
There's this. I don't know what in the name is this. What in?
It's a perfect size, I think, for you. What do you think?
It is.
It is?
Yeah, I think so. Like it's like stuck in here. And just take it out. Wow. Oh, can I see? Wow.
What do you see?
I see a lot of things.
Okay, you have to explain us. What do you see?
I see a lot of things.
Okay.
I can see the tree.
You can see the tree really close? Really?
Yeah.
Do you see any tree, any birds?
I cannot really see.
Right? And move that magnifier up and down so you can see.
I need the microphone.
Okay, let's come this side and see like there's a bird or anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you know why we need to keep this?
We need to, yeah. So
we need to keep it inside here in case we lost it.
Exactly. All right.
So I'm gonna keep the package here.
Okay.
I'm stuck in the chair. Follow me.
Okay, we're following you.
Oh, I heard chirping sound from there, and there's birds in that tree.
Okay, let's try it. What do you see?
I see a bird laying. I see a bird making a nest.
Do you see on the top?
Yeah, I see a bird laying a nest on the leaf.
There you go. That's the way. So there's a lot of trees to look into.
I already heard some chirping from here. Oh!
You want to see in the big tree?
There's a bird up there.
Oh yes. Let's see here. Okay, I see that bird. Right? Do you see that bird? It's sitting on the top of the tree, right?
Go backwards.
Yeah, and you have to move up and down. You have to move up and down to magnify it and see it really cute, really close, really close. Right? You say?
I thought it was a beacon. So let's just go with me. This way. I heard some chirping earlier.
No, well, the whole point of...
I see a dragonfly with my bare eyes.
Okay. Well, come on.
Oh, I see it from my bare eyes. It's very close.
Okay, the whole point of that binocular is so you don't have to go that far. Come on back up.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, I just heard some chirping.
Yeah. So you can just watch. You know?
Did you see the birds right there?
Yeah, I see the birds.
Oh.
Yeah? No. We put the food there so the birds will come here. And then they will first sit in this tree.
And if I want to see them, no worry.
And then you can sit far away. And then from there, you can look at it. So you don't have to disturb the birds. That's the whole point. Got it?
You scared me because I put it too big.
So,
Scared me with the camera.
so we'll stand somewhere a little bit further away, maybe right here.
Let me
Here?
know. I just saw birds just like soaring there.
Yeah. So we'll stand somewhere further away,
Okay.
and then we'll inspect. Okay?
Oh, I think I saw a bird, not just. Oh, the bird that we saw earlier up there disappeared.
Yeah.
Maybe it went to find some food.
So you can scan more. You scan all over the trees, like maybe you'll be able to find it.
There's a bird over there.
Right. So if you scan it, if you magnify it, it will come closer to you.
Two birds flying up there. Oh, they saw. Oh, I just saw those two birds. They disappeared. This is actually from Amazon, and my dad will try to put it in the description below.
Okay?
Yeah, oh, I saw a dragonfly, but this stuff came from Amazon Prime. So, just type binoculars and you'll find the perfect one. It's called POLDR. So it can go, and there's the switch here. And if you see, there's a video of it.
Let's inspect some more. There's a lot of trees.
Oh, I saw a bird from there.
Okay, let's watch it.
I just saw that real close.
You see it?
I saw it real close. Oh, I just saw something blue over me. Oh, there's a lot of trees. Do you see me do them like that? Like pig sound?
Yeah.
Like that?
Probably you have to see in the morning when they come for that snack that we put it in. Right up there.
Yeah.
Right? This is where we put the snack for them to come. Also, we put some water. So they will come in, and then when they are trying to eat that one, we can just like watch them closely without having to go really close. Right?
Oh, I just saw it real close in the tree.
Yeah?
Binocular look like.
What is that? That's a happy dance?
This is a binocular dance.
You also have a binocular dance?
I put it too big.
Yep.
In day 2, we'll quickly form a video of the morning routine, and we'll do part 1 and part 2. See you in the next video. Subscribe, like,